To set alerts on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the market page by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the market page, you can search for a specific stock by typing in the company name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Select the stock you are interested in and tap on it to view its detail page. On the stock detail page, scroll down to the Alerts section and tap on the Set Alert button. You will be presented with several options to choose from, including price alerts, news alerts, and earnings alerts. For a price alert, select the type of alert you want to set, such as when the stock price falls below or rises above a certain price. Enter the target price and select the frequency of the alert, such as only once or every time the condition is met. Once you have set your alert, tap on the Create button to save it. You can view and manage all your alerts by navigating to the account page and tapping on the Alerts tab. Best practices for setting alerts on Robinhood include setting alerts for stocks that are volatile or have a high potential for price movement, and setting multiple alerts for different price levels to stay informed about market fluctuations. It is also important to keep in mind that alerts are not a substitute for ongoing research and due diligence, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use alerts on Robinhood to stay informed and make more informed investment decisions. Setting alerts on Robinhood is a straightforward process that can help you stay on top of market movements and make more informed investment decisions. By taking the time to set up alerts and customize them to your needs, you can maximize the benefits of using the Robinhood app and achieve your investment goals.